Show mommy how you pull it. Pull. Pull. Good job. Gonna put it back together. Now show me how you pull it again, Mr. Marker Boy. Pull it. Can you pull it? Show me how you pull it. Pull it. Thank you. Good job. That hard work, huh? Yeah, that hard work. Show me how you pull it. Oh my goodness. Good job. Good job.